Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this live stream video for the property we are selling in Farrowdene Road in Reading. Just on the outside here at the moment. I'm just going to spin around to show you the road. So as you can see, lovely residential area in Reading. So this house has been fully refurbished, and I'll show you inside in just a second. With this video here, feel free to ask any questions that you might have. You can also request private viewings here as well. So before we head into the house, I'm just going to walk you down the side just so we can get an idea of the back garden. Come on down here, and here we are. So private garden, all fenced off. There is a raised what used to be patio area here, and there's a area down the bottom, a concrete slab, where there used to be a shed as well. Just walking down the path. As I said, this is a interactive video, so feel free, ask any questions. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll take you inside in just a moment. So here we go, looking back at the house there. So you can see next door have added a conservatory to the rear, giving people an idea of what is possible. So this house hasn't been extended, but there is those options there for you later on. So what we'll do, come on back round the front. To answer your question, yes, we do have the keys to the back. Just wanted to take you around the side to start with. Come on in, and we'll head into the front. So, inside is a nice little porchway, and then we're into the reception room. These lovely big windows, that's lots of light in. Please excuse the echo, as I said, it has recently been fully refurbished, so it's brand new floors. No, it's not up for auction. We're selling it via private treaty, so feel free to request your viewing, and we can get you booked in as soon as possible. So this is the front reception room. So it's all brand new flooring. There's some LED lights. I'll just turn those on. There we are. All freshly painted, new sockets throughout. Again, into another reception area, and you can see there LEDs and downlights. So this is your dining area or second reception room, with the French doors out into the back garden, and then there's your kitchen as well. To the side from this dining area, we've got the modern space-saving radiator, and then there is a utility area with your gas combi boiler in there, and then space underneath for washing machines, tumble dryer. There is also a downstairs WC which has been fitted in under the stairs, and I'm 6'3" and I am able to stand up in here. It is a little tight, I won't lie, but it certainly has everything in there that you need. Coming through to the breakfast area, and you've got this great work surface here. I can imagine a couple of bar stools underneath. Sit up and eat the breakfast. There's your brand new electric oven, your gas hob, and then your drawers, and there's all sorts of bits and pieces. So the drawer, as you can see there, soft close, and then another view out over to the garden. Lots of plug sockets as well. There's space just here, excuse the tripod, but there's a space there for your fridge freezer. There's a modern extractor hood, and Again, lots of cupboard and storage space in here. The LEDs as well. Let's just walk over to the corner and give you guys another indication of the size of the room. It's a really good, entertaining area. Oh, bang my elbow. For this property here. So this is the downstairs, obviously, and it's all laminate flooring throughout. It's good quality laminate floor. It doesn't feel cold under feet at all. But now what we'll do is we will head on up. So new carpet on the stairs, and nice frosted window out over the side, lets a lot of light in. And then we have the 3 bedrooms and the family bathroom. So what we'll do first, we'll start off. This is the smallest of the 3 bedrooms, but it has got lots of window space there, really nice and bright. And again, the modern LED light, lots of plug sockets. There's a radiator just under the window. But this would make great as a kids' room, something like that. Could fit bunk beds, double bed, a couple of singles, something like that. There is space here in that recessed area, maybe for a small desk, something like that. Coming out of there and into your bathroom. And as we said, it's a new bathroom suite as well. So there's extractor fan and the window, so damp and mould should never be an issue. And again, being finished to a nice high standard. Storage cupboard. That would have had the old hot water tank. Obviously it's now been replaced with a combi boiler that was downstairs. So this is the largest bedroom on here, and it's almost as 2 separate rooms with the, as you can see, the step that's part way across here. So this is the front part, I suppose a dressing room or something like that. Lovely spacious area for it all, again with the modern LED lights and the window overlooking the garden. And I'm just looking back over it all, and we can see, so it's a really good sized space, lovely lovely double bedroom on there, really spacious, and you don't feel claustrophobic in here at all. You've got really high ceilings, it's about 8.5 feet. Now this is the 3rd bedroom. So the 3rd bedroom, what they've done, and they've done rather well, is they've added in an ensuite bathroom in here. So all new, there's a shower and a shower tray, and again the extractor fan there. There isn't a window in this bit, but and then we're through to this one here. So this room here would fit a double bed, as you can see from the placement of the 2 sockets, would fit a double bed, but apart from that, you know, double bunk beds, kids room, that sort of thing. Really good size, and again with the modern LED showing you up there. So there we are. So this is the 3rd of the bedrooms upstairs. So there's that's it on the bedroom front. You've got an attic space up here as well. I don't believe the attic is boarded. There certainly isn't a ladder there for you. But again, with next door having the conservatory on, you could then look to extend backwards, add a bit more space downstairs should you need it. But you've got lots and lots of room in here as well. Would make a fantastic family home, investment property, or your forever home. Just coming back down into the reception area, which I think is the real sell point for here. For those that know the area, you'll know yourselves how close the shops and schools and things like that are. For those that don't, you've got junior schools and secondary school, the JMA, John McDaskey Academy, not too far away. There's local shops close by as well. There's a regular bus route into Reading town centre. And this is a lovely family area. As I said, it's a quiet residential road, not too far from local sports centres, from the motorway, shops and schools. If you have any other questions, feel free to get in touch with the office. But if that's everything, I wish to thank you all very much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you at the next one. Thank you.